Hey guys, I'm going to be recording this video to show the wiring harness on a 1993 Toyota pickup, which this is the way I have it wired. These random wires. These wires you don't need. I'm not sure exactly what is it that you guys want to see on this. There's a guy asking me for a thing. I know it's a mess back here, but these are the random wires I didn't need. Well, didn't need because I have 2 amps connected. A bass amp and a voice amp. But this is the way I have everything wired. I know it's not the nicest, but RCAs, yeah. And on here, it tells you how to do things. What the harnesses look like, if that makes sense. Yeah, thanks for watching.